Hello, I am back with another quick kitchen tip. Now, if you make cupcakes, do you know that back in the day, I always remember, and this is how I always do my pound cakes and my cakes that I make. I always take them and I hit them on the counter to let any air bubbles settle so that they will pop and make the cake more moist and condensed. Meaning, when you allow your cake to create bubbles through the blending, mixing process, and you just put it inside of your pan and you don't hit the bottom of it, it will allow the gases to create bubbles in your cake, which would allow the cake to not last and stay as moist. It gets kind of dry faster. So even with cupcakes, this is a tip. When you make your cupcakes, I didn't do it yet, you take them and you drop them down a couple times, just like that, because that's going to allow the air bubbles to release, and it's going to allow them to get more condensed and stay moist. So the tighter it is, the more the moisture of the cupcake can stay in. When you have a lot of air bubbles, the moisture releases and the air gets into the cake and it dries out faster. So that's just a quick tip. If you make cupcakes, any cakes, I don't care if it's a homemade, from scratch, semi-homemade, pound, whatever, box cake, whatever it is, always do this. It helps to keep it even more moist. So if it's already moist, it'll last even longer if you do this tip by kind of dropping it on your counter to allow all the bubbles to be released from it, and that way it can stay moist longer. I hope this tip was very helpful. If so, make sure you leave a comment below. If you know about this trick and you have been doing it, let me know below as well. I will see you guys later, Gators. Hope you enjoy it.